What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add card in Trello. Here you can see I have a workspace and now I want to add some card here. So first of all click add a card and then write a top title for your card. You can enter a title and also you can paste a link. So I want to enter a title. And then add card. Again you want to add more card, enter a title again. Add card. So you can do so you can make a huge card using this option. That's it. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.